Hi viewers, hi all of you. Welcome to Chana Creatives YouTube channel. Today I am presenting such an important topic to all of you. Please do not skip out till end. The message is for engineering student. During engineering, how they have to develop, how they have to build up their career, and how to create a good ad develop and web development. Now I am with Mr. Rahul. He is already came out from the college. He was doing engineering. What he has learned to get a better and built up his career. Okay, let's start knowing asking the questions, Mr. Rahul. Apart from his studies, what he has learned additionally. Okay, we will ask the questions, Mr. Rahul now. Rahul is with us.
My name is Rahul and I'm a website and app developer. So now I'm freelancing currently and I'm here to speak about how to create apps and websites and I'm thankful for Chenna Creativity's channel for giving me this opportunity. So guys, whenever you're doing engineering, most of them would just concentrate on their studies and they'll be focused only on their on books. So what I suggest you guys is that you have to come a little bit outside of your books and go through whatever is going on outside world. So most of them, if at all, if you want to become an app or website developers, then you have to look into other aspects where like programming languages. First you have to learn some programming languages like HTML, CSS, and then slowly you have to develop yourself in that aspects. Presently I am a MERN stack developer, which stands for MongoDB,
Okay.
Express, React, and Node. So
Mm-hmm.
we use this for creating apps and as well as websites. For apps we create React Native. So you need to learn all these extra things. So whenever you come out of the college, you could be a better programmers and you can serve for the company better, and as well as you can earn better also.
Oh,
And as a freelancer you can take up your own projects, create these projects, and you can earn your other amount as well as you can be more creative also. So it's good that if you can learn extra stuffs other than whatever they have taught you during college.
Rahul, I wanted to know when the during engineering. So, what the engineering students has to know? What are the plans when they are doing engineering course only? What are the plans, and then when they'll come out also they'll be easily getting into their ambitions, no? So can you please give the reasons what they have to do?
Okay, so during most of the, if you consider most of this US and other country students, whenever they finish their engineering, they'll be a highly qualified developers, if at all, programmers. So here in India, that is lacking, I feel, because whenever they come out, they'll be just knowing the basics. So what I feel, they have to start learning all these technologies during college itself, when they're in college.
Okay.
So I would tell them, as per what I know, I would tell them to learn specific programming language. For example, in college they taught me C language, but what I learned, what is my programming language is nothing but JavaScript. So I've gone focused on to JavaScript itself. So slowly I started learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and in that path I took to a next level, learned little advanced stuffs to create apps. Initially it would be difficult, definitely, but slowly you'll get a hang of it. So I mean, you have to start learning it early. That's what I feel. Like other country students.
Okay. Rahul, I have one more question. In the during engineering period, the student has to come to know whether they have to, what are the steps, what are the basic steps to create a web pages, or they have to create apps and all, what are the basic steps or initial steps? Can you please tell them what are the suggestions you can give them?
So at initial period, it would be really difficult for them to start off creating apps. There are various other apps which can create apps, but those things are not the right way to go. What I would suggest them is that they would start learning HTML, whatever is taught in the college, and then for styling purposes, HTML is nothing but a bare bone structure of web page, and for styling purposes, they have to learn CSS.
Okay.
And then as soon as they get really confident, as soon as they are confident in these two things, then slowly they can move into JavaScript, and JavaScript is the most important part of creating websites. So if they know these three things, they can easily create websites really well.
Okay.
So they have to learn JavaScript really well. That's what I would suggest them as a basic first step.
Rahul, everything they have did, actually basic steps and all, everything they have learned in during an engineering period. So then what are the advanced technologies are there to be develop more stronger and stronger? Can you please tell me?
Okay, so now I could tell it in part 1 and part 2. So first, after they learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript, it will take pretty much time to learn these things to become really good at. So what I suggest them as an intermediate step, they go to this online platforms, online websites where they'll ask questions, like websites like HackerRank, HackerEarth, and CodeChef is a really good place. And these places, they'll give you questions. We have to solve all these questions based on program. So whenever they solve all these things, their programming skills would be better. They could be even placed in a really good company when they come out of the college. And if I have to tell the part 2 aspect of it, advanced stuff, then they have to learn frameworks like, if at all for front end, there's a division called as front end, back end, server, and database server, databases, and all those things. So if at all when we come to front end aspect, we have to learn frameworks like earlier there were a period where if you just learn C language, that was more than enough, but nowadays I think you have to come out with learning all these frameworks like React, Angular, Vue. These are front end, and if we come for back end stuffs, I think there is something known as PHP, Node, and these are back end languages. So my language is Node. Actually, I work on Node because JavaScript, it's related to JavaScript.
Okay.
And you can use backend databases like SQL databases, MySQL and PostgreSQL, and non-SQL also has come out, which has become really popular, like DynamoDB, MongoDB. So a lot of things to learn, but if you ask me what to focus on, could just focus on, if it comes for advanced stuff, after you learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript, you could start learning React or Angular, which is more popular. My language is React, predominant language.
Okay.
And learn Node based on JavaScript. Even React is based on JavaScript. And since NoSQL is it's more easier and user friendly, as well as you can make it, you can serve it better to users. So I prefer going for MongoDB. So these are the advanced stuff. They come to that portion, they could learn all these things. Whenever they come out of the company, come out of the college, they could be really good developers, and companies would just pick them like that. Or else, even if companies don't pick them, you could even work as a freelancer in other companies as your own.
Okay.
You can establish your small firms or something, and you can bring the projects, for apps and websites, it'll be paid really well. And moreover, for apps, you could learn React Native, which is just an extension of React. So overall, if you learn all these things, a lot of people take a lot of time to learn all these things, but if you could learn it as early as possible, you could have a better future, better pay in the companies.
Okay. Thank you, Rahul.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
So guys, here's a small example. of how to create a small React app. So what I have done, it's a small to-do list app. So you need to just come over here and just create this app. So once you come to this advanced level, you can just try out small apps like this. You can just go here and start a development server, and it'll open up this development server. So this is the app where I just type like something like buy tomatoes and buy potatoes. It'll just show in this way, and you can even delete, and you can finish and unfinish it. See, these are small apps which you can build to improve your React skills.
So
once you are
when
done.
they are doing
Just
during
show
in
me an
engineering,
example so that
so these and all they have to
just
learn
like
the
a
steps
motivation
and
thing,
basic
so that you
steps
can start
and
off to a
advanced
better level,
technology.
to be
Thank
able
you
to
so
develop.
much, Rahul. Everybody they can understand easily. Thank